First, there were concerns about the water and sewage system. Now, the developers of the Bernard Lodge Master Plan have another problem on their hands: illegal mining. It's being estimated that hundreds of tons of sand and topsoil have been removed from some areas earmarked for development. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
It seems like a race between developers and criminals in Portmore, St. Catherine. Prime land, which investors have been eyeing as part of the Greater Bernard Lodge development project, overrun by criminals.
Persons coming onto the compound to extract sand, topsoil, to do illegal dumping, to have trees cut down to be burnt as coal.
Tons of sand have already been removed from this area, which is part of the 4,000 acres of land that the government is planning to use to build homes, businesses, and for agriculture. It's suspected this has been happening for months now. These boulders have been used to block vehicular access to the property. Tire tracks show the area has been quite busy. It's said that trucks from as far as St. Mary have been removing sand from this lot and selling it to unsuspecting persons. Adams Security Management Unit has been hired to keep those intruders out.
They make contact with particular persons we know in Lakes Pen, as well as close to this community, nearby the ferry quarry. We have actually identified a tractor based on the intelligence I've gotten.
It appears plans to develop the area could also be delayed as a result of the amount of sand and topsoil which has been removed. The developer did not wish to comment on the issue. However, owner of Adams Security Management Unit, Renita Adams, says no mercy will be shown to those who are caught on the property.
Persons are working also in conjunction with the police, so therefore if they are caught, they will be arrested. And as you know me well, I will be one of the persons supplying information to the police as well as evidence. And I will go to court every day, even during the night, to give evidence against anyone who is caught doing any illegal activity on this compound.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.